I should have just kept going. I shouldn't have been possessed. No! Oh, wait. I was having, flashbacks to whatever the other place is called. Whole little guide. Okay. Okay, okay. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm doing. Stoke the fire hole and then Rebecca. What? You saw that, right? He just, like, disappeared. What? That's not fair. He just got to, like, vamoose across the map. That's so not fair. Yum yum. Oh, that's not the arrow keys. But my thought before I summarized that where are my thoughts going? Okay, but so I will never get to be Fred the Stoker or the wireless operator because it's very hard to find gender-blind casting, at least in my experience. I should clarify, my experience in musical theater. I've actually auditioned for shows where, like, we're doing gender-blind casting, but then there was some sort of strange caveat that didn't, like, actually make it gender-blind. I think one of the caveats was, like, we're doing gender-blind casting, but we want it sung as true to original. Well, for those who don't know, I'm a soprano, and I was really excited because it was a show that I really, really, really wanted a male role for, because the songs that this character got to sing, I was just in love with it, and I was like, this role as a soprano would be gorgeous, because I'm also, my hubris, me and my voice teacher discovered, my voice teacher pointed out to me that I have coloratura qualities. I have coloratura qualities to my voice. So which means when I'm high up there in them notes, I can just like float around them really good, and I can do really, sorry, I don't mean to talk about myself a lot, but like I do mean to talk about myself a lot because this is very exciting because I know I can do things vocally. And so I was so excited to audition for this show that I was like, I can do amazing things vocally for this role. I will do stunning trills and riffs for these long notes that don't necessarily require trills and riffs, but I can do them because I'm high up there. But I didn't obviously get cast in that male role because they wanted it sung as true to the score as possible. So they ended up casting men in several of the roles, or altos that could hit those low notes, which was just very frustrating for me because I'm a soprano. I will never be able to sing that low. I'm getting better. I'm working on my range with my voice teacher. Bugs. Just like that's just a fact about me, at least, is that I can't hit those notes. So I essentially, me auditioning was pointless, because I was never gonna get the role I wanted. And I was in the ensemble of the show, and I did have a good time, but I remember just being so genuinely devastated at rehearsals because it was just like, why did I even try? What was the point of trying? Because I essentially just wasn't getting. It was just essentially it was like a doomed narrative, you know. I was never gonna get what I wanted to go for because I just didn't have those capabilities. Blue Boy, hi Blue Boy, you're back. But that's fine, you know, because I'm finding other ways to express that to express that need to sing those roles. That's fine. That oh, that's the danger noise. Hi Blue Guide. I'm doing it. I'm getting there. And then I need to sleep immediately in the industrial outskirts. I forgot I had. I think it's like in that first area. There's this sleeping spot, and I just like walked right past it for no reason. It's fine. What is that rare sound? That means something, but I don't know what. Oh! Little horn sound. Okay. But I want to explore in the industrial outskirts. I'm gonna explore. I'm gonna be a not humble boy. And I'm gonna explore in the industrial outskirts. 'Cause I'm allowed. I'm losing my voice. Oh, and the creature's gone. Yeah, I can climb to safety. Alright, we've officially returned to the start of this whole thing. And thus, the cycle of stupidity is complete. Okay. Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we gonna do? I'm gonna climb up there. This is a very vertical area. No, I don't like that you're there. That's not fun for me. So I'm gonna go over here. Captain sits. Did this screen just move? Did I see that? Did we all see that? Did that screen just move? Stop climbing in there, silly boy. No. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, Titanic the Musical, my beloved. How did I not unlock that area? What happened? Well now I have... What? Oh! It's literally just this area. Okay. And I've been up and down, left and right. Hooray. Sorry, I wanted to unlock that a little bit on the map to make me feel better. Oh, I'm so silly. Okay, so do I want to climb up? I think I want to climb up this thing. I'm gonna trust that this little red plant isn't gonna hurt me. I was correct. Oh, no, it's not getting close to night, so I don't know. It just glitched again. Like, we all saw that, right? The screen just went bzz, bzz, bzz. And we were all very afraid, right? Oh, this is like a tread wheel. Like, you know, like on like tanks, like the treaded my bird screams because I had to put him back in his cage. We all know what I'm talking about, right? Like the yeah, I'm gonna have faith. Oh. Cool. Sick. Fear of heights activated a little bit. Oh, okay. Between screens. No, I lost my guide again. Where'd he go? Why do I keep losing him? Because he would be very helpful right now in finding a place to sleep. about to attempt. No, I'm not. Because if I have to go all the way back around, girlies. Oh, I can do it now. Okay. Okay, I can. Nope, I can't. Never mind. Oh, look at me. Eee! I didn't know I could crawl through there. Okay, that's exciting. Walking on my hands. Wait, was that just here? I was just here, I think. Yes. I'm going this way. I would like to not be in danger. Are you just climbing on the wall? Stop that. I don't like that you're climbing. I need to go find a bed. Far. Okay. But I can do it. Do I need to go down? I think if I could go sideways. This jump that I was really bad at. There we go. Oh, and another thing about Titanic the Musical. Sorry, the architect, of course, based on a real historical individual, the actual architect of the ship. I know, crazy. He has a song in Act 2 where he essentially describes how the flooding of the ship is going to work once it hits the iceberg and starts singing. And when it's a really good song, but oh, it's so good because they start tilting the stage. And like, I just like you gotta do a production of Titanic the Musical and have your stage tilt. If you're not having your stage tilt, like, what are you even doing, you silly goose? Let me out. I would like to know where my guide went. Oh, he's back. Hi. I think, does that mean danger? I'm pretty sure that symbol means danger. I want to try getting up over there, but I don't, like, climbing up, you see in, like, the top right. I think that's an area I can, like, climb and explore, but I don't know how to get there. But I want to try. I want to try getting there. Oh, the danger. Okay. That didn't work. I don't remember if I finished this thought, so I have to repeat it again. But, like, how you gotta do, when you're doing a production of Titanic the Musical, like, you gotta make the stage tilt. You gotta have some sort of, some sort of visual tilt for when the for when the ship is sinking. Like, you just gotta. And if you're not gonna do that, like, don't even bother doing a production of Titanic the Musical. What are you doing, you silly goose? Yeah, I think I could get over there on the right. So I want to, I bet if I jumped from here, which I'm not going to do because I want to go eat bugs first. Oh, I'm getting Ladies Maid. That's the song that's playing right now. Guide, where'd you go? You just, like, left me here. Well. That is not at all how I intended that to go. Well! Nothing gained and nothing lost. Oh. Stick. It does want me to go up there. Okay. Okay, I'm excited. I have to go eat bugs, and then I'm gonna climb up there. It can't stop me. Yeah, I'm going. I'm coming, dude. I'm so excited. Eee! It does want me. You have to eat you. Okay. We're climbing. Yeah, I gotta go up to the bugs, dude. I gotta go to the bugs. I gotta go eat bugs. Also, no, the thought, she left me as soon as she came. No, don't let there be a monster up there, dude. I need to go eat bugs. That's not nice. No. No, 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 no. I need to learn how to fight these dudes. Yep, climb. Oh. Oh. Nope, didn't mean to throw that. Oh! I just have bombs in my stomach. Oh, horror. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to you. Bug? Bug, please? Oh, I thought I hit down enough. Oh, come here. Why am I so bad? If I just hurry. They're tricky devils. Ha! Okay, at least have 3. Okay. We're gonna be a little silly. Okay. Good to know. That happens. That I can fall to my death. Because I did not know that could happen. I didn't mean to go back here. You know what? We're just gonna go climb. We're just gonna go see if I can climb there. I don't know how I get there. I don't think I could... I guess maybe I just fall from the second screen? But we'll figure it out. Oh, there goes my grandfather clock. Oh, guide, where'd you go? He left. Can I... If I... How do I... Ha! Okay. Can I not climb up here? Is this not what I'm supposed to do? It has to be. I have to be able to climb there. Like, look at that. There's so much here I haven't explored. Oh, look, that's where I kaboomed. Okay. Where am I going? What are we doing? If I could get up. No, I don't think I could get up there either. Okay. Maybe it was a foolish endeavor from the beginning. What's this way? A much faster way to go straight up. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna come eat these berries. I just ran. I want to eat you. Disappointment. Oh, you flashed a color. Don't do that. That's not cool of you to flash a color. And that's not cool of me to bonk my noggin. I will say, sorry, this song just literally came up as I'm listening to Titanic the Musical. Is that there are just some songs in it that are just like, I don't want to call them snoozers because that feels mean. But just like, so Titanic the Musical is, for the most part, an ensemble show. There isn't really one guy that we're focusing on. It's just a whole gaggle of dudes. Oh, I have a bug? Oh, no. That was not a bug. Blah. Cool! Anyway. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, I could try climbing down the other side.